Hi everyone, today we're gonna see phone cases using resin. So the resin that I've used is from Haksons, and this is their high gloss epoxy resin clear coat, and this comes in two parts. One is part A, this is a 2:1 ratio, and this is my hardener which got leaked in transit, but then I got it replaced, so no worries there. So this is a 300 ml one, I believe, and it is for $4.99, and this is what I've used for this project. And the pigment is from Resinera, and it is their super white, and also by Haksons. This is also the gold that I used for the marble effect. This is their EC mix pearl and gold. This is the color, and not just this, I mixed it. Would get this in your paint shops, your craft shops. This is the Fevicryl Hobby Ideas acrylic color in their gold acrylic color. This is just a powder. See, they have like this one and a copper color and a silver, I believe. I do have those with me, but this and this mixed together was the one that gave the marble effect. That's gonna give the marble effect. Okay, so these are the things that I used, and always, of course, use your nitrile gloves to protect your hands. And I also used just a hair dryer, just that has a heat setting which blows out hot hair, and it has different settings as well. Or if you have a heat gun, you could also use that. And this is my butane torch to blow out those bubbles. I got it in a local store. This one came separately, and I had to get this one separately. Just like $100 of this cartridge, and this is somewhere around 400 rupees. This is 100 rupees, and this is 400 rupees. So that's about it. And just the normal mixing jar, and I do not have a weighing scale as of now, so I used 10 grams. So since this resin is 2:1, for one mobile case I used 10 grams of resin and 5 grams of hardener approximately, and just used the normal cups to mix the colors and your sticks, and also used baby wipes to wipe the edges. It's very useful when you're using resin, but then it is not that eco-friendly. It depends on you if you want to use it or not. It depends on you, your wish. So let's get into the video. Hi everyone, today we're gonna do the resin work for these two phone cases. For this one, it is gonna be full white with streaks of gold, and this I'm trying an ocean art once again. So this is my second attempt at ocean art with phone cases. So first let's lay down the gold. Gold is gonna be the sand in this, or do I? Okay, I'll not do a sand as of now. Let's first lay down the white in this. So we will work a bit quick here in this case because I want the gold and the white to blend really well. Ignore the background noises. I am filming it during the day and it's a bit windy, and hopefully we don't make a mess and the audio comes out good. So let's spread it like that. I'll probably speed up this part. This is probably gonna take me a while because I'm trying to stay without it leaking within the lines, so it's gonna probably take me a while. So you'll see a sped up version probably. I'm trying not to put too much resin onto the case just yet. It's always a good idea to hold back and then go in than to have it overflow. I'm not too sure about the audio quality, or else I'll just do a voiceover. This is an iPhone XR case. Trying to keep it clean. Just put enough because you're gonna add the gold and that might just dip it over the edge. So clean up as you go, because you don't, once it dries up, it dries up. You don't want to be sanding all of that, do you? That's a task. I hate sanding for one. Alright, we will not go to the edges yet. We will do the gold. I'm going in with the gold now itself and not letting it dry because, okay, let's take very minimum. I'm going to use a hair dryer and try and make these dissolve and give a wispy effect. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a good thing that I didn't go to the edges. Yeah, that's about it. So this is the finished result of the marble mobile case I did. The first layer you saw had much more of a darker gold. This is the second layer. Used very tiny bit of this opaque pigment in the second layer, very tiny, so that it is not opaque and it's slightly transparent, so that these, you can see these dark waves up, the marble effects are peeking through. And use again mixture of this Hobby Ideas pigment and Haksons Easy Mix Pearls pigment together to give these highlights. And again, for the third layer, I went in with a clear resin and just flood coated it so that it is shiny and it's protected and it's long lasting. Along with this, I made a a pop socket to go with this pair. This was a commission piece, so this is the end result. See, that's the end result. This is an iPhone XR case, and this is the pop socket that goes along with it. So thank you so much for watching. Now we'll see more close-ups of this in the coming video. Thank you.